Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 24 inch deep edge canvas again today. It is my favorite size. And I am going to do another scrape painting using my trowel and an offset spatula. That's a cake decorating tool, which is very handy for this kind of technique. I wanted to go for something really kind of bright and sunny, and there is no better color than yellow for that. And pairing with the yellow, I'm going with some turquoise and teal colors. So just to walk you through those, this is Arteza Pearl Canary Yellow. This is Amsterdam Primary Yellow, Arteza Pearl Mint Green, and then I have Tri-Art Cobalt Teal and Tri-Art Phthalo Turquoise. These are both high viscosity paints. I do find this technique is so much easier to spread onto your tool when it is a tube paint. But some of my other supplies I'm going to need today. I also have some Chromacryl white. And because it's not a tube paint, it's very difficult to get it onto my palette. So what I do is I put it into a little bowl like this, and then I scoop some up on my popsicle sticks and then spread it out from there. So I have some extra popsicle sticks. I have an extra little bowl off to the side because after each swipe, there's still quite a bit of paint on the trowel or the palette knife. So when I want a lot of blending, I don't do anything. I just keep adding more colors onto this, and that way I get more blending. But if I want a cleaner swipe, less blending, I want to bring a color to the front, then I do scrape it off like this. And then if I want it even cleaner, then I go ahead with a paper towel and clean it completely off. You're going to need a trowel. This is an 11-inch by 5-inch finishing trowel. It is typically a tool that they use for tiling. And then also I have this offset spatula. I may actually use a palette knife like this also. We will see. I'm not sure what my final composition is going to be. I don't really have a plan for final composition, but I do have a plan for how I want to start it. So the very first color you put down, let me move these out of the way. The very first color that you put down becomes a background color, an accent color in the final piece. But the amount of paint that you put on, because as it swipes across, it creates little air pockets and little gaps, which keep the previous layers visible. If you apply that first layer in a random way, it changes where those little skips are. So I'm going to play around with that idea. My very first layer, I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to start from here and swipe out. And when it runs out of paint, then I'll start another swipe here and swipe across. So it's going to create some ridges wherever I start. So when I move to the bigger trowel, it should leave a different kind of pattern than I've been getting in my other tries. That's my idea anyway. I love to experiment and try new things, and this helps me learn for future use. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to put on some music for you and some music for me, and I will get started.